Alright, here's the next lesson. This is chapter 3, lesson 4, page 200 and 201. So now instead of, last lesson what we were doing was we were multiplying a whole number by another number that had decimals, okay? So this one is going to be by multiplying two numbers both with decimals. So here we go. It's the same sort of thing. It really is. So 0.6 times 0.5. So notice there's one number behind the decimal here and one number behind the decimal there. So there's going to be two numbers behind the decimal. 5 times 6 is 30. 0, 3. 5 times 0 is 3. So 30. Alright, now how many numbers are behind the decimal? 1, 2. So there's two numbers, we have to count them both. 1, 2 numbers behind the decimal. So I need to have two numbers behind the decimal in my answer. 0.30. Alright, this one. This is going to be a crazy one because there are a lot. So here we go. There's 5 numbers behind decimals here. Alright, so 1.089 times 2743. This is going to be a long problem. I can already tell. Starting off with this. Wow. Let me write this on the back of another page. Or let me write it right here. Is this a good color for this? Yep, okay. So we have 10892743 being multiplied. Okay. So what you really want to do is, well, and then there's decimals. So there's a decimal here, and there's a decimal here, but don't really worry about the decimals right now, okay? Worry about them at the end when you get your final answer. So, starting off, I'm going to start off with the 3, so I circle the 3. And this is just like, you might want to call this like chicken math or something, okay? So, a chicken runs in a circle. So it starts off with 3. 3 times 9 is 7, 27. 3 times 8 is 24, 25, 26. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 2 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. So look, just like a chicken, scratch, scratch, scratch. We had one egg, so lay an egg, run around in a circle. 4 times 9, 36. 4 times 8, 32, 33, 34, 35. 4 times 0, 0 plus 3 is 3. 4 times 1 is 4. Now look how I'm popping out a little bit further here. This number is getting a little bit bigger. So, done with the 4. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Lay 2 eggs. Notice there are 2 eggs. Run around in a circle. 7 times 9 is 3 and a 6, 63. 7 times 8 is 56. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. 7 times 0 is 0, plus 6 is 6. 7 times 1 is 7. So look, I'm coming out even further. One more step. So scratch all these out. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Lay an egg, and there's another egg. Lay a third egg, starting with a 2. 2 times 9 is 18. 18. 2 times 8 is 16, 17. 17. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Finally, finished here. Now I need to add all these up. 7 plus 0, 0, 0, that's 7. 6 plus 6 is 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 8 is 17. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 6 is 11, plus 7 is 18. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 2. Okay, that's pretty much my answer, except look, how many numbers did I have behind the decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My answer is 29.87127. 29.87127. 87127. That is a very long problem. I hope we have no more of those. Judging by how the rest of these look, I don't think there will be any more of those, because that's exhausting. Okay, here's another one. 0.98 times 7.3. Alright, 3 first. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is 27. 28, 29. Scratch, scratch. Lay an egg, run around in a circle. 7 times 8, 56. 7 times 9 is 63. Plus 5, 68. Add 4, 15, 10, 11, 7, 1, 5, 4. Now how many numbers are we talking about behind the decimal? 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 numbers behind the decimal, so that's where 1, 2, 3 numbers to the right of the decimal. 7.154. These are pretty difficult. They're not that bad. It's tiring. And believe it or not, this is like the 4th consecutive recording I've made. So now I'm getting tired. 2.7 times 1.35. All right. 2.7. Oh, I'm going to choose the number with the fewer digits to put on the bottom. So 1.35, 2.7. Starting with 7. 7 times 5. 35. 7 times 3 is 21, 22, 23, 24. 7 times 1 is 7, 8, 9. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Lay an egg, run around in a circle. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 2 times 1 is 2. Let's add this all up. 5, 4, 9, and 7 is 16. 1 and 2 is 3. So I have also 1, 2, 3 numbers behind the decimal. So 1, 2, 3 numbers behind the decimal. 1, 2, 3 numbers need to be behind the decimal in my answer. So it's 3.645. Okay, this one should be a little bit easier at least. 0.03 times 0.09. Okay, multiply. 9 times 3 is 27. So look, so I'm pretty much done. Let me show what the answer is going to be. It's going to be this, 0.0027, because look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers behind the decimal. So let me keep going with this though, without telling you that. So let's go ahead and be done with that. Lay an egg, run around in a circle. 0 times 3 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. Okay, let's add these all up. 2 plus 0 is 7. 2 plus 2, I'm sorry, 7 plus 0 is 7. 2 plus 0 is 2. 0 plus 0 is 0. I need 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers behind the decimal. So 1, 2, 3. I need to put another 0 here so I can have 4. So 0.0027 is my answer. Last one I'm going to do on this video. 0.04 times 2.12. So 2.12.04. So again, 2 numbers behind the decimal place. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Scratch, lay an egg, run around in a circle. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. Let's add them all up. 8, 4, 8, 0. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers behind the decimal place. So 0.0848 is my final answer. It's only been 9 minutes on this video, but I am sure tired of multiplying numbers. I'll do one more very difficult one and then I'm going to be done with it, okay? So I'm going to do it right below the one I did earlier. So, make a line to separate. So here's what I need to multiply out. 11.361 times 14.7. 14.7. Notice how I put the smaller number on bottom. That's going to save me a lot of work. Alright, so here we go. This is the last one I'm doing on this video. 7 times 1, 7. 7 times 6 is going to be 42. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 4 is 25. 7 times 1 is 7, 8, 9. 7 times 1 is 7. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Lay an egg, run around in a circle. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 3, 12, 13, 14. 14. 4 times 1, 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 times 1, 4. Okay, scratch, scratch, scratch. Lay an egg, lay another egg, because it's on the second one now. There were 2 eggs. Run around in a circle. 1 times 1, 1 times 6, 1 times 3, 1 times 1, 1 times 1. Add all of these up. 7, 6, 10, 20, 19, or 9 plus 5, 14, 15, 16, 17, 4 plus 5, 6, and 1. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers behind the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers behind the decimal. So my final answer is going to be 167.0067. You can write that right here. 167.0067. And just to check it, why not? Here we go. So we have 11.361 times 14.7. 167.0067. Good. All right. Well, hope you guys understood that video. It's definitely going to take some practice and some time, but it's not that bad. You will see that it's the same thing over and over and over every single time you do it. All right. I'll see you guys in class.